QuickBooks is one of the most popular accounting software platforms designed for small businesses, freelancers, and accounting professionals. When you first visit the QuickBooks website, the layout immediately stands out as user-friendly, with clear navigation tabs at the top for products, pricing, and resources. Scrolling through the homepage, you'll notice an emphasis on its key features, including invoicing, expense tracking, payroll services, and tax preparation. To get started, you'll find a free trial option prominently displayed, which is great for those who want to test the software before committing. Clicking on the free trial takes you to an easy sign-up process requiring basic business information. Once inside the platform, you're greeted by a clean dashboard that provides a snapshot of your financial health, including income, expenses, and profit. Exploring further, the invoicing feature is robust and allows for customization. You can create professional invoices in just a few clicks, schedule recurring invoices, and even automate reminders for late payments. The expense tracking tool syncs seamlessly with your bank accounts and credit cards, categorizing transactions automatically. This saves significant time compared to manual entry. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video for extra insights and tools. Payroll is another standout feature. QuickBooks simplifies payroll by automatically calculating taxes, handling employee benefits, and ensuring compliance with local regulations. The tax preparation tools are equally impressive, offering built-in support for deductions, quarterly tax payments, and detailed reporting to make tax season stress-free. For those concerned about scalability, QuickBooks offers various plans tailored to different business sizes. From self-employed individuals to medium-sized companies, there's an option for everyone. The pricing is transparent, with regular discounts for new users. Plus, the mobile app is a game-changer, providing access to your finances on the go. Customer support is a crucial aspect, and QuickBooks delivers with 24/7 chat and phone support. Additionally, the website has an extensive library of tutorials, FAQs, and community forums to assist users at every step. Overall, QuickBooks excels in its simplicity, advanced features, and scalability. Whether you're managing a startup, freelancing, or running a growing business, QuickBooks offers a comprehensive accounting solution that's worth considering. If you found this review helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tutorials on the latest software and tools.